This video covers graphing logarithms with transformations in MyOpenMath. Our question says, draw the graph f of x is the log base 4 of x plus 2 plus 4. Before we use the graphing tool to graph the function, we need to recognize that there are two transformations. The x plus 2 tells us we have a horizontal transformation to the left 2 units, and the plus 4 says we have a vertical transformation up 4 units. If we set x plus 2 equal to 0, we get x equals negative 2, which is the location of our vertical asymptote. So to begin graphing, we click on the graphing tool, and we go to negative 2 to insert our vertical asymptote. After that, we continue to use the transformation to graph our logarithmic function. In general, logs start at the point 1, 0, but now we move 2 to the left, so I want to move 1, 2 over, and then I moved up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's my starting point. You can see as I move around the function that I do need to put in a second point to really see what the graph's going to look like. So generally, we usually go to the base of the function, so this is 4, and it would be at 1. But remember, we've moved 2 to the left, and we've moved 1, 2, 3, 4 up. When we click on the point, MyOpenMath knows the shape that's supposed to go with it. It connects the dots, and we can push submit. Let's practice that one more time. This time I have the log base 3 of x minus 1 minus 4. So just like before, I think about my transformations. X minus 1 says I'm going to move 1 to the right, and then minus 4 says I'm going to move 4 down. So I'm going to hit my graphing tool and think about x minus 1 being 0 when x is equal to 1, and that's where I place my vertical asymptote. I go to the point 1, 0, which is usually my x-intercept, but now I think I moved 1 to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. That's where I put my first point. For my second point, I think about the base of 3, which says I would usually include the point 3, 1. But now that point 3, 1 moves 1 to the right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Once I have my second point in place, I can see the dots are connected, and I hit submit.